Oi Harini, இப்பதான் வந்தீர.
ஆமாண்டா பரணி என் கூட நகரான்.
பாதி பேர் வரவே இருக்காங்க.
Okay. You must.
பரணி வந்து அருண் கூட வரடா.
Okay. Okay. Keep silence. Yesterday we completed this much portion.
Next day.
You must remember the answers for the questions. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Here we should replace who and write two names. Sunil Gavaskar and Vivian Richard were Sachin's favorite players. What was special about Sharda Ashram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai? What answer yesterday we prepared? What answer we yesterday prepared? Huh? Don't you remember? What was special about Sharda Ashram Vidya Mandir? Sharda Ashram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai gave more importance to cricket. Or Ramkant Achrekar sir was the coach in Sharda Ashram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai. These two answers we can give. But second answer is the suitable answer. Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach in Sharda Ashram Vidya Mandir. It is special about Sharda Ashram Vidya Mandir. Okay. Today we are going to learn another paragraph. It is a long paragraph. It will end in the next page. Okay, let us have a light reading. I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. With Sir watching me closely, I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was little older. Okay. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence. Having seen my play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. This time, sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. Okay. Like this, you should learn to read first. Learn to read first. Read, reading is very interesting. Okay. Batted. I have never batted in the nets. Previously, we learned that Tendulkar was batting using a tennis ball. He played only tennis ball cricket. He never played original cricket using original cricket ball. Okay. So this time he came to the camp. See, I had never batted. I had never batted. A cricket player can say batted. See now, one kabaddi player is there. What can he say? In kabaddi, what is the step is there? What is the step in kabaddi? What is the important step in carom board? What is an important step in football? What is an important step in table tennis? Like that, batting is very important in cricket. But here I denotes Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed. Overawed. What do you mean by overawed? Overawed is the word denotes slightly afraid of something. Slightly afraid of something impressive or powerful. Here, this young cricket player is standing before a trained cricket coach, that is Achrekar, not Ramakant Achrekar, sir. So this young boy, slightly afraid of batting, afraid of batting. This is called overawed. Okay, overawed with so many people around. So many people are watching him. All people are well trained cricket players. So he is feeling something different. This is called overawed. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. This is a small sentence. When Tendulkar was asked to bat, when Tendulkar was asked to bat, Tendulkar was not at all comfortable. What do you mean by comfortable? Anybody reply? What do you mean by comfortable? Are you sitting comfortable? Are you comfortable in your house?
I am comfortable in bike.
Will you comfortable in a hospital?
No,
Will you
no,
comfortable in a crowded bus?
no.
So comfortable means a sophisticated and with all what to say வசதியான comfortable. With sir watching me closely, so closely, I failed to make an impact. Sir denotes Ramakant Achrekar, sir. He is watching me. Me denotes Tendulkar. Ramakant Achrekar watching Tendulkar so closely. I failed. Tendulkar failed to make an impact. This is a very important sentence. Tendulkar failed to make an impact. His batting was not impressive. Sir did not like his batting. his batting is not suitable to admit him in the camp. So I failed to make an impact. Okay. Sir called Ajit. Who is Ajit? Ajit is Tendulkar's elder brother. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp. So he is very young boy. Now we can't admit him. You take him back. Like that he is saying. To make the camp and suggested. What do you mean by suggested? Suggested means he is telling advice, advising that he should bring me back when I was little older. So next year you bring this boy. Now he is very young. He cannot bat well like this. So my induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure. இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் அவர் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா என்னுடைய நுழைவு வந்து முடிஞ்சிருக்க வேண்டியது could have ended in future failure தோல்வியில் முடிந்திருக்க வேண்டியது. Induction is a special word. It is the process or action of bringing about or giving rise to something. Process or action bringing about முன்னுக்கு கொண்டு வர்றது அதுதான் வந்து இண்டக்ஷன் அப்படி சொல்லுவோம். ஒரு ஆளை முன்னுக்கு கொண்டு வர்றதுதான் நம்ம அது மாதிரி அந்த இண்டக்ஷன் could have ended in failure அது தோல்வியில முடிந்திருக்க வேண்டியது. ஆனா ஒரு ஆள் வந்து காப்பாத்துறான். பட் ஃபார் அஜித்ஸ் insistence Ajit hadn't left it to go. Having seen my play at Colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. அஜித்துக்கு தெரியும் நான் நல்லா விளையாடுவேன். அச்ரேகர் சாருக்கு முன்னாடி நான் விளையாண்டதை விட நான் வந்து அந்த காலனியில விளையாடும் போது நல்லா விளையாடி இருக்கிறேன் அப்படின்றது அவனுக்கு தெரியும். So he explained that I was nervous. I was nervous. Nervousனா என்னது? Nervous is a term easily agitated and alarmed. அவன் ஒரு ஈஸியா பயந்து போற ஒரு ஆளு. அவன் நிறைய பேர் இங்க இருக்கிறத பார்த்து பயப்படுறான். So it is a image to understand a nervous person. Nervous personனா யாராவது ஈஸியா பயங்காட்டிடலாம். ஒரு கூட்டத்தை பார்த்தா பயப்படுறது, ஒரு பெரிய பெரிய ஆளுங்களை பார்த்தா பயப்படுறது, அதுதான் வந்து நர்வஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. I was nervous and asked to sir to give me one more opportunity. Another opportunity. இன்னொரு opportunity இவனுக்கு கொடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். However, he suggested that while doing so, he is telling to the teacher, you should give another opportunity, but in that another opportunity, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. This is very, very important situation. So, sir is standing closely and watching the boy. What Ajit is telling, sir should go away, pretend to go away. Pretend means acting. Pretend means acting. He should not look at Tendulkar, but he should go away, then watch from in a distance. So Tendulkar will not get nervous. Sir agreed. See, he is a great cricket coach, and this Ajit is a small boy. He admit what he said. He agrees what he said. Before a long, I was asked to bet again without Sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me. What do you mean by scrutinizing? Scrutinizing is a very important word. Take a look. Take a look or verify something minutely. Minutely. How the boy is batting. How the boy's posture is. How the boy fearlessly face the balls. This is the scrutinizing techniques every coach will have. Also, I thought I felt more ease. I was not nervous. I felt more ease and soon started to hit the ball well. This time he hit the ball well. Sir agreed to let me join the camp. This is the final situation. Sir agreed. Previously, he did not agree. He suggested to go back and come after 1 year gap. I was delighted. I was delighted. Delighted is a important word. What do you mean by delighted? Delighted means feeling or showing great pleasure. ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியா ஃபீல் பண்றது. அதுதான் வந்து டிலைட்டட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இந்த படத்துல பாருங்க, இந்த பையன் வந்து எவ்வளவு ஹாப்பியா இருக்கான் பாருங்க. இதை தான் வந்து நம்ம டிலைட்டட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். This is called delighted. So, and I must say, it was an opportunity. இது வந்து வாய்ப்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். It was an opportunity that transformed my life. Transformed is another important word. Make a marked change. குறிப்பிடத்தகுந்த மாற்றத்தை உண்டாக்குதல். மார்க்டு சேஞ்ச், குறிப்பிடத்தக்க மாற்றத்தை உண்டாக்குதல். அதை தான் வந்து நம்ம டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம்டு அப்படின்ற மீனிங்ல இந்த இடத்துல சொல்றோம். இப்போ ஒரு டெண்டுல்கருடைய லைஃப்ல திஸ் சான்ஸ் மேட் அன் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. இட் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம்டு ஹிஸ் லைஃப். My life, my is Tendulkar's life. It transformed Tendulkar's life. Okay, this paragraph went like this. You must read repeatedly.
Yes, sir.
Then you can understand the meaning. You know the meaning. Battered, overawed. What do you mean by overawed? Overawed means slight afraid. Lesa பயப்படுறது. Overawed, so many people around. Around na சுத்தி நிக்குது. When I was asked means okay, you start to bat. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable watching closely. Closed means nearly. Failed means not finishing successfully. We are not successful. Make means we are creating a situation. And impact means success. Sir called Ajit aside. Side means calling him near. And informed means telling a news that I was perhaps too young. Young means a normal word. Too young, ரொம்ப சின்ன பையனா இருக்கிறான். To make a camp. And suggested, advised, bring back, come next time. I was little older. My induction is the word the process or action of bringing about or giving rise to something. Mumbai Cricket Circuit, this is an important place. This is a place, what to say, it is an association or a club. Mumbai Cricket Club could have ended failure. But here he is praising his brother Ajit. Ajit made my presence in the team by his recommendation to Achrekar sir. He is explaining means He's telling the situation. My brother is nervous. You give him another opportunity, and he is telling, suggesting. How he is suggesting, sir should pretend, act to go away, and then watch from a distance, so he will not be nervous. Sir agreed. Okay, he battered again without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing on him. Scrutinizing means examine or inspecting closely and thoroughly. Okay, scrutinizing or thought. Thought is the past tense for think. I felt. Felt is the past tense for feeling. I feel more ease and soon started to hit the ball well. Well means good. This time, sir agreed. Agreed means accepting to let me join the camp. This camp means that uh, place we told is Mumbai Cricket Circuit. That is the camping place. I was delighted. I felt very happy. I felt very happy. Like this young boy. And I must say it was an opportunity. Opportunity means a chance that transformed my life. Transformed means it is a marked change, which made a marked change. Okay, with this we can conclude today's class. I will send you some questions. You can answer the questions now. Tomorrow you come prepared for the next paragraph. Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Sir, no 10 minutes, sir.
இருக்கட்டும்டா அதான் ஒரு 10 முடிச்சிட்டோமே பாய்
சார் நீங்க ஒரு ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் அனுப்புங்க சார் நாங்க பதில் எழுதுறோம்
நான் அனுப்பி விடுறேன்
ஓகே சார்
பாய்